But in a bright and colourful clay garden where flowers bloomed in every colour of the rainbow, lived a little bee named Benny. Benny was small and a little shy. While other bees zoomed across the meadow, he liked to stay close to the hive, buzzing happily from one familiar flower to another. His big sister Bella would often watch him and say with a warm smile, "Benny, you'll never know how far you can go until you try." She believed in him even when he didn't quite believe in himself. One sunny afternoon, a strong gust of wind swept through the garden. Whoosh! It snatched the petal from Benny's most favorite flower and carried it away across the meadow. "Oh no, my flower!" Benny cried out, his tiny wings drooping. For a moment he felt sad, but then he remembered Bella's words. He had to try. Taking a deep breath, he decided to follow the petal. He buzzed bravely through the tall, swaying grass, something he had never done before. It was a big, new world out here. Along the way, he met a friendly butterfly named Milo, whose wings fluttered like colorful confetti. "Don't worry, little bee," Milo chirped, seeing Benny's determined face. "I'll guide you with my wings." Together, they continued the chase. Suddenly, the sky turned dark. Big gray clouds rolled in, and a rumble of thunder echoed in the distance. The wind howled, and rain began to fall. Scared, Benny quickly hid under a large green leaf, his heart beating fast. Just as he thought he was safe, he saw a tiny ladybug struggling in a puddle, her little legs kicking frantically. Benny thought of his own fear, but then he remembered what Bella said. Bravery wasn't about not being scared. It was about being scared and doing the right thing anyway. Sometimes bravery means helping someone smaller than you. With a new sense of courage, Benny flew out from under his leafy shelter, buzzed down to the ladybug, and helped her climb onto a dry twig. Together, they battled the wind and rain and finally made it to a big mushroom shelter, safe and sound. As quickly as it came, the storm passed. The sun peeked out from behind the clouds, casting a beautiful rainbow across the sky. Benny and his new friends returned to the garden, where the lost flower petal had landed gently on a daisy. All the bees from the hive flew out to greet him, cheering for their brave little hero. Bella flew over and gave him a big hug, her eyes sparkling with pride. "See, Benny," she said softly, "you've got the biggest heart in the entire hive." And Benny knew she was right. Even the tiniest bee can make a big difference.